Hey friends, welcome to another video. Just checking out this Lavender and Sage, this Schmidts deodorant. My wife's been using this for a while. What we like about this is no aluminum salts, no artificial fragrances. It's got basically like coconut oil, magnesium, eucalyptus, wax, just a bunch of good stuff. This is vegan and cruelty-free deodorant. Seems to last a long time, and it smells really good as well. So yeah, pretty happy with this. Some deodorants, yeah, it has a really pleasant smell to it. I really like it. Yeah, some are sticky and don't last that long. Just different experiences, or maybe you get like a rash or something from some, but we haven't had any issues with these, so really pretty happy with it. And we kind of like that it's like vegan and no like aluminum, different stuff like that in it, so pretty cool. Really happy with this deodorant, so I just thought I'd share. Thanks for watching, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.